Hello everyone, this is Nidhi from Crafty Pandora. I had a request to make a Rubik's Cube cake topper, but the client wanted it to be a single layered printed cake topper. Here I am in the Cricut design space, and you can see that this topper has many layers. So to turn it into a single layered one, I'm just going to select all the elements and click flatten. This turned the image into a single layered one. But you can see that I got an error message stating that the image size is large for print and cut. So here I am reducing the image size and tada! That error message has gone away. Now next step would be to hit make it. Changing my paper size from A4 to letter, then hit continue. Click on send to printer button. I keep the bleed off and I switch on the use system dialog checkbox. Then click on print and this will open your printer's settings. Here I click on preferences and change the paper type to glossy photo paper with quality as high, and in more options I uncheck the high speed checkbox. Click on OK, print. The command has been sent to your printer. I have already loaded my photo paper in the printer. Let me show you. The print has started to come, but this is gonna take some time as I had unchecked the high speed checkbox. So wait. So here it is. I think it's done. Yeah. So here is the print and I'm quite satisfied with it. So the next step would be to load this paper on the Cricut mat. Coming back to the design space, I'm going to set the material as photo paper. Then load the mat. Then click on start. The machine is first gonna scan this photo paper, read the lines, and then it's gonna cut it. The cut is complete. Now let's unload the mat. So here's the cut. I think I'm gonna put one more layer behind it for more sturdiness. Let me know what you think about it, and if anyone is interested in knowing how I designed this topper, then please let me know. I'll share a tutorial for the same.